boses ko. Okay nga Rod, karo ba? What's wrong with this? Nadya mo kaya. Gusto mo lang. Sound check. Sound check. Okay, sumulahan ko matulad-tulad. At boses niyo sa manichan tatay. Okay nga Rod, karo ba? 10 more minutes. Apo, mangrugin na po iti monthly finals for the Search for Ilocano Idols 2019. Dito lang po 98.5 IFM Cauayan. And before that, kuna na ito ni Kabsat Cathy, Kabsat Jun, and Balong GM. I please request a song, a single Yellow Rose dedicated to Evangeline Karimlim. Belated happy birthday, Kasin. Sana makahanap ka na magmamahal sa'yo ng habang buhay ko na naman. Who's that? Okay nga Rod. As requested by Kabsat Cathy, may sama lang po katagiti na papatek ng sponsor tayo data. Dito programa tayo. Here is a single Yellow Rose para kini pinanawan da. Dito'y istoryana. Dito'y kanta pinanawan da di babae. Ilang ibati da lang iti Yellow Rose. Di po nga na. Get maiyarig nga tanaya iti biyaga ni Kabsat Evangeline deta. Anyway, napintas kalata Kabsat Evangeline ore agmay maysa ka nga mangi tandudo kadagiti anak mo ken apo kumon. So from 4-decade duo family together with Kabsat Cathy, belated a happy birthday to you.
Nakimabsat to mic mo?
Tayo. When I walk this morning, imagine my surprise. On my pillow lay a single yellow rose. You smiled, but when I read the card, the teardrops filled my eyes. It was the only way that you could say goodbye. You couldn't tell me to my face that you had found another, and it never crossed my mind you'd be untrue. So today, as I lay sleeping, you left me here alone, and you said goodbye with a single yellow rose.
Sadya kayo request ng tinga ko. Evangeline. Amazing.
Yes.
Kantay pa yan.
Anyway, she can wait.
Did you know that yellow roses mean you love someone forever? And did you know they say forever I'll be true? Why did you have to go astray, leave and throw our love away? Why did you leave a single yellow rose? You couldn't tell me to my face that you had found another, and it never crossed my mind you'd be untrue. So today, as I lay sleeping, you left me here alone, and you said goodbye with a single yellow rose. And you said goodbye with a single yellow rose. Ito man ang Evangeline Ramalo of Baguio City.
Every time our eyes meet, this feeling inside me is almost more than I can take. Baby, when you touch me, I can feel how much you love me, and it just blows me away. I've never been this close to anyone or anything. I can hear your thoughts, I can see your dreams. I don't know how you do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. The smell of your skin, the taste of your kiss, the way you whisper in the dark, your hair all around me, baby, you surround me and touch every place in my heart. Oh, it feels like the first time. Every time I wanna spend the whole night in your eyes. I don't know how to do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. Every little thing that you do, I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, oh, every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you.
It's only love, but it's too much for me to hide. It's the first time in years that I've cried. It's torn me up inside, but you don't feel it. You think I am just another friend. It's only you, but oh, they are the one I miss. I can think things out like this. All I want is your kiss, but you don't know it. You think I am just another friend. And you can't help me, 'cause you don't feel the same.
Ito yun.
It's only me. Every hour seems to take a day, and your eyes never look my way. What is left to say? If you don't feel it, you must think I am just another friend. And you can't help me, 'cause you don't feel